Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new week of the Forex market analysis. For this week, we have three viable setups to look at, two potential breakout setups, and the potential retest trade idea. On the watch list for this week, we have the USDCHF, the NZDCHF, and the AUDNZD to look at. The USDCHF and the AUDNZD are giving us possible breakout trade ideas, and the NZDCHF is also giving us a possible retest trade idea. So for the coming week, we see a USDCHF in a downtrend. The whole month of April had seen the bears take over this pair. So there are two ways to look at the USDCHF. Either stay below the downtrend for the bears to keep on pushing down, or establish a breakout above the resistance of this very pair for the bulls to take over. The downtrend line is acting as the resistance level, so a breakout of it means that the bulls are gathering the momentum. NZDCHF is the second pair to look at for the coming week. For the NZDCHF, we can see a breakout has already occurred. A triangle-like structure appeared for over 2 weeks, but then before the previous week ended, the NZDCHF breached the support of the triangle structure massively. For now, the bears are in control of this very pair, but then it will be too low to sell. So for the coming week, we'll be looking towards a retest of the broken support level as new resistance for the bears to continue with their move. If the NZDCHF manages to go back to trade within this very market structure, I'll let go of my bearish outlook. Also, if this retest to these probable levels never come, then I'll let go of the NZDCHF setup, since selling over here would be selling too low. AUDNZD has a similar setup to that of the USDCHF, but just that this time around it's in a down channel other than just a simple downtrend line. So for the AUDNZD, as long as it remains within the confines of the channel, the bears remain in control since mid-March of this year. So whilst contained within the channel, the AUDNZD is bearish, but then if it's able to establish a breakout above this resistance level, which is the channel's resistance, then the bulls will take over. On the fundamental side of things, some of the key economic news that will be coming out which demands your attention are the ones which will be coming out on Tuesday, where the Reserve Bank of Australia goes into action. Also, the employment change will be coming in from New Zealand. Then on Thursday, the Bank of England's interest rate decision for May will be announced. It has a tendency to create some volatility in the Great British pound pairs. Also, Friday would be a very packed day as the NFP, the unemployment rate from the USD and from Canada, would be announced. I wish you a profitable trading week. See you next week if there are any good setups.